As we age, consistency becomes far more important than intensity. When we were younger, we could skip exercise so we go play some intensive game like tennis or volleyball over the weekend, be sore for a day or two, and then bounce right back. And I'm not even talking about going and having some alcohol over the weekend, after which we recover and go back to work the next morning. Anyways, our bodies recovered very quickly. Our joints were more forgiving. We could get away with a lot. But somewhere along the way, things begin to change. Recovery takes longer. We wake up a little bit more stiffer. Maybe our knees complain, our back tightens up, our shoulders don't move quite the way they used to. We may notice our balance isn't quite as good, or we don't have the same endurance as we once had. Let me know in the comments below if you can relate. That doesn't mean, though, that we stop exercising, right? It means we change how we think about exercise in general. So instead of asking, how hard can I push myself today, we should be asking, how can I keep my body moving today? Your body was designed to move every single day. Movement is like nutrition for your joints. Every time you move, your joints become lubricated, your muscles stay active, your circulation improves. And also your posture improves, your balance improves, your brain benefits too. But here is the important part. Your body doesn't care if you had one amazing workout 6 days ago. So, right, your body doesn't care if you had one amazing workout 6 days ago. It responds to what you do consistently. Think about brushing your teeth. Nobody says, I brushed my teeth really hard on Saturday, so I don't really need to do it again until next weekend. We understand that small daily habits are what keeps our teeth healthy. Our bodies work exactly the same way. Movement is our daily body maintenance. After 50, exercise is no longer about proving how strong you are or how hard you can go. It's about getting up from the floor without needing help. It's also about climbing stairs, right, without losing your breath. I get that sometimes. And also it's about lifting your suitcase into the overhead compartment when you are traveling. But of course, I hope that there will be a gentleman to help me with that if my husband is not traveling with me. So it's about continuing to enjoy hiking, biking, gardening, traveling, playing with your grandchildren, or simply walking comfortably on your vacation. Those are the things we're really training for. Personally, I don't usually do one massive workout every day. Instead, I move throughout the day. Some days I'll take a 2.5 mile walk. Other days I'll ride my bike outside for say 8 miles if the weather is nice, and I live in Florida. I don't know, my Florida people, it does get hot over the summer. Sometimes I'll do a 30 or 40 minutes on a stationary bike that I have right there in my living room, but I move. And I also teach Pilates and do Pilates workouts myself when I get a chance. So many days I'll try to combine 2 of those activities. But no matter what I do, I almost always finish by getting down on my mat and spending 10 to 20 minutes stretching while my muscles are warm. That stretching has become just as important as the workout itself. It helps decompress my spine after walking or biking. It keeps my hips moving well. It helps my joints to recover. And honestly, I've learned that I hurt less when I move consistently than when I sit still, especially having the scoliosis that I do. And this may sound backwards, but for many of us over 50, it's absolutely true. Again, see if you can relate with me. Let me know in the comments. People often ask me, how do you stay motivated? That's a big one. The truth is, motivation isn't what gets me moving. Habits does. I do wake up every day excited to exercise, excited to move, excited not to hurt. I wake up knowing that my future depends on what I choose to do today. Every walk, every stretch, every bike ride, every Pilates session, every time I get down on a mat, they are small deposits into my future health account. Think about that. Every small deposit into my future health account. That's pretty big. You don't build a healthy body in one workout, right? You build it one day at a time. And here's something else I've learned. You don't have to do everything. If you only have 15 minutes today, move for 15 minutes. If all you can do is walk, then walk. It's wonderful. If all you have energy for is stretching on your mat, that is still movement. You're doing something, you're staying consistent. And it's definitely something that's doing nothing. It's definitely better, right? Don't underestimate the power of consistency. Small things done every day become big results over time. So instead of trying to exercise harder, try exercising more regularly. Give your body a reason to trust that you'll show up tomorrow. Years from now, your future self won't remember how hard your workout actually was. Your future self will thank you for every single day you actually chose to do something, you chose to move. Because after 50, exercise isn't punishment, it is a necessary maintenance. It is the freedom that we all want, but we have to work for it. It is independence. It is investing into the life you still want to live. So don't ask yourself, I want to work hard today. Ask yourself, did I move enough today? And maybe can I do a little more? I truly believe that one question can change the way you age. If you want a guided beginner-friendly session with me, I'm starting a few online introductory one-on-one Pilates sessions. The link is in the description below, and I'd love to help to keep you moving well and stay motivated for years to come. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and next watch my video right here.